Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to allow others to share your public stories to their own story on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once inside, head to the menu by tapping on the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner of your screen. This will open up a variety of options for you to explore. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. Now, look for the section titled Audience and Visibility. Under this category, tap on Stories. Here you'll find all the settings related to your Facebook stories. Once inside the Stories settings, locate the option that says Allow others to share your public stories to their own story. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. If it's currently off, simply tap it to turn it on. And that's it. By enabling this feature, you're giving others permission to share your public stories with their own audience. This is a great way to increase engagement and expand the reach of your content. If at any point you want to disable this feature, just follow these same steps and toggle it off. It's entirely up to you how you want to manage your story sharing settings. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Stay connected and enjoy sharing your stories.